Hello everyone, and today I'm excited to present ResQAI, an AI-powered emergency response platform designed to provide instant guidance during critical situations using Google Cloud and Google's Gemini AI. The objective of ResQAI AI is to help people receive immediate first aid instructions, emergency guidance, and disaster-related assistance when every second matters. The platform is built using Antigravity IDE Next.js, FastAPI, Docker, Google Cloud Run, and Gemini AI. Here is the main dashboard. It provides a centralized view of active incidents, weather information, emergency alerts, nearby resources, and live response monitoring, so users can quickly understand the current situation. Now let's look at the AI Guidance Assistant. Users can either select predefined emergency categories such as floods, earthquakes, fire, CPR guidance, snake bites, and heart attacks, or simply describe their situation in natural language. The AI analyzes the request and provides structured step-by-step emergency instructions together with important safety warnings, helping users make informed decisions while waiting for professional medical assistance. Next is the Safe Routes and Emergency Map. This module is designed to visualize nearby incidents and guide users towards safer locations while avoiding potentially dangerous areas. The map can assist users during disasters by improving situational awareness. This is the Emergency Profile section. Users can securely store personal medical information such as their blood group along with emergency contacts, allowing essential information to be readily available during emergencies. Returning to the dashboard, all major emergency information is organized into a single interface, making it easier to monitor ongoing incidents and access important resources without unnecessary complexity. The application also includes a secure authentication system, allowing users to register and log in before accessing personalized features. Finally, this is the landing page of ResQAI. The platform focuses on combining artificial intelligence with cloud technologies to deliver fast, accessible, and reliable emergency assistance. Thank you for watching my project demonstration. And this was ResQAI, an AI-powered emergency response platform built using Antigravity IDE, Google Cloud, Gemini AI, Next.js, FastAPI, and Docker. Thank you.